Hello everyone, welcome to Code Arena, and today we are going to make Microsoft logo with HTML and CSS. So first I've made this index.html file and styles.css. So first I will make a boilerplate with HTML, and first we will give the title to Microsoft logo, and secondly we will link to styles.css, and now we will study that how Microsoft logo actually looks like. So first we will go live, and now see, here is the Microsoft logo. Basically we are having four little squares, and they all are in different colors. So it will be so easy and it will be so fun making this. So let's get started. Okay, so first I will make 4 divs. It will be so simple. Square 1, and inside this square 1 I will just mark the same. So first I will do Alt Shift down, and then we will just change the numbers. Okay, we are having 4 squares, but here I have mentioned the same one. So because every square's width and height would be same, so it will help us to decrease the lines. So first I will just target the same, and inside it I will just set the width equals to 100 pixels and the height would be also 100 pixels. So this width and height would be applied in all 4 squares automatically. So we will not write it 4 times. Okay, now I will target the square 1, and inside it I will set the background color to black. I will just copy this background color. For now we are setting the background color to black, and afterwards we will search about the colors. Now I will paste the background color of black, and I will target the 3rd square and I will paste the background color, and after that I will target the 4th square, and inside it I will paste the black color for now. Okay, now we will just save this and let's see the result. Okay, we are having whole black line, but these are the 4 squares, but they are jointed. And after doing this I will just target the body tag and I will do position relative. So, and after that in the square 1 I will do position absolute. So basically this body will be the parent of this square, so we can control this square in the body wherever we want if we do position absolute. So basically this is the child of body. First we will do left. Let's say 500 pixels would work. Okay, perfect. Now from the top we will do 200 pixels. Let's try this. Okay, I think we should do for 150 pixels. Okay, now we will do position absolute to the next square, and inside it we will do from the left side the Microsoft logo. Here the first square is here, but the second square is here, so we need to increase the size of the left side. So we can do for 600 pixels. Let's try this. Okay, but I think we should do 610 pixels. It would work. Okay, perfect. Now we will do from the top, we will do the same 150 pixels. Let's do it. Okay, perfect. Now we will target the 3rd square. Let's do position absolute, and inside it from the left side we will do the same as the square 1. We will do 500 pixels. From the top we will do some more, let's say 200 pixels. Let's try this. Or from the top we can have, let's say 260 pixels. Let's try this. I think that we should have 261 pixels. Let's try this. Okay, now it's looking perfect. So this was the square 3. Now we will jump to the square 4 and we will do position absolute, and after that from the left side we will do the same of square 2, 610 pixels, and from the top we will do the same as the square 3. So square 3 has 261 pixels, so we will do the same. Let's do this. Okay, it's perfect. Now we will find the colors for it. So first we will just write Microsoft logo color code. Okay, so let's first copy this one. This is the orange one, so we will just paste it in our first square. Okay, so we will copy this second color, which is the green color, and we will paste it in our next square. And we will copy the next color, which is the blue color. We'll copy this, and then the last color, copy, and finally paste. Let's try this. Okay guys, we are done with our logo, and congratulations, and stay tuned for more amazing content, and if you like it, share it with your friends, and thanks for watching.